Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your LG K51S, for the first you have to get the application to transfer data. So let's go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and get application name CLONEit. It's really easy to use and you don't have to pay for it. If you get this application, just open it on the both smartphones. Click here allow. And right now I'm going to open it one more time on this second smartphone. Okay, click on your LG, yes, I agree. And right now we are sending data from this Android phone, so click here sender and tap receiver on your LG. Click allow, tap search again and click on this Android share icon. We have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code, but also we can input the password manually. So pick your way. Whoops. You have to click allow, then grab your phone, put the frame into the QR code. Accept the request. And right now, if you want to send everything, you have to click on all of these icons and tap on the start. But in my case, I'm going below for the details and I will show you how it works on the songs. I will send two music files. Click start, OK. And as you can see, it's finished. So, thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!